Oh, Jenny's got a big fish. Get the boga grip out. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen so many colourful fish. This is a male fish in his breeding, spawning mode. Had to slap me in the choppers. Look at that hump. Great fish. And he weighs 10 pounds. Well done, Jenny.
Wow.
Well done. Oh! What a fish.
That's a hunk of fish.
It is a hunk of fish. Yeah, he's pulling the boat round. Oh, look at the size of him. This is the lure made by my friend Charles Hammondtree from Caribe Lures. Pavon prop this is. And he's up. Oh. And he is a beautiful fish. Jenny, look at that. There it is. Charles Hammondtree's Pavon prop. Well done, Charles. You've done it again. Let's have a look. And it is 17. Oh, what a fish. A big lump on his head again, look. It's breeding hump. Big, heavy, fat, broad across the back. That's why he weighs so much for such a short fish. I mean, he's really, really heavy.